Hey everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daedran. One day staging in 2023 and 2024, and an unforeseen hiatus in 2025. Lost in Time ready for its grand return while lending a helping hand to those affected by Hurricane Melissa.
This year, we've actually partnered with the American Friends of Jamaica and the Mothers Food Group through their foundation, Mother's House, to really respond to those that have been affected by Hurricane Melissa, and part proceeds of the festival will go to help rebuild 1,600 homes through this initiative.
American Friends of Jamaica throwing its support behind the festival to help boost its humanitarian efforts.
We're delighted to partner with Lost in Time again this year, and by extension, we are also trying to galvanize other partners like airline partnerships, etc., to support the initiative.
The British Council not to be left out of the mix, donating some 1.5 million Jamaican dollars through its Circular Culture program.
The Lost in Time Festival is a participant in the 2025-2026 cohort of our Circular Culture program, and that is a regional initiative that supports festival producers across Latin America and the Caribbean on two main goals. One, opening doors so that they can connect with artists and organizations in the UK, and two, building capacity to help festivals be more environmentally friendly.
The highly anticipated festival returns later this month with an exhilarating lineup of performances on not just one, but 2 nights. It will also mark Chronix's first performance in Jamaica in 7 years.
We're working on the show, and Chronix wanted to be a part of it. I have wanted him to be a part of it for a couple of years, and this year was the year, and we figured with such a lineup, it's hard to put everybody on one day without rushing or without it being to 4 o'clock in the morning. So I want to break it up and give people a chance they can move about and roam about, so it's not too cram and tight either. So, those are some of the reasons.
Excitement bursting at the seams for its return, not only from patrons, but also acts slated to touch the stage.
It's a privilege. Oh my God, I am so excited. Every artist on this lineup, I love their music, I respect them as artists, and so it feels as though, it's like I feel like it's a mirror. I'm looking at them and I say, yo, but you're big on your body, So which means I guess I kind of big on bad too. So I'm grateful for the opportunity to share my music, my new music.
Diggy bring that concept here in Jamaica in terms of the presentation, the type of staging, a 2-day event, ensuring that it's run on schedule, paying that respect to the fans and the fan base that make us who we are, it's an incredible event, and I'm overjoyed to be a part of it and be able to give back my energy to the people in this way,
Now today marks the 81st celebration of Bob Marley's birth, and the JCDC will be hosting a tribute concert with a stellar lineup of artists tonight, including Stephen Marley. The event, which is free of cost, is slated to take place at Emancipation Park. And if you're not able to make it in person, not to worry, because we've got you covered. Live broadcast right here on TVJ at 9:15. That's it for your weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Big up, Bob.